Would have to suffer for the blood clot body and me. I don't want nobody call my phone. I don't want nobody look to me. I'm my own big woman. I'm 36. I'm not last. Wanna breeze me and breeze my phone. Cause I don't want this one.
The Scoop.
You know people, Lisa hyper a chip and she a dark up the place. She a lick out pan Vybz Kartel, Mooney and Vaness Bling. Yeah man, she say she gonna be the first one to buy Sean Storm a GLE because the car with Kartel buy give Sean Storm a foolishness. She want know how Kartel for buy Mooney, Benz and buy Siva a idiot car. She want know if a Mooney did their prison with Kartel for 13 years. Why Kartel would have pick up himself by a Benz in Mooney and buy Sean Storm a idiot car. But Lisa, if a member say, Siva say him choose the car and he love the car. Guys, boy, this sends problem, trouble for the empire. Me think I did love and one big happy family right now. Jano, this is not a good look. You understand? She also proceed to say, oh, Mooney send a video go give Kartel of her holding on to Kartel bag. Guys, I don't know if you don't know the video where Kartel did a perform and Lisa Hyper did a hold on pan him bag. Yeah, she said she a hold on pan him bag for end him from drop off at the stage. However, Mooney send the video go give Kartel and say, oh, a thief Lisa Hype did want thief out Kartel money. Make sure hold on pan the bag. And that is so ridiculous because how would Lisa Hyper want to thief Kartel money in such big public? In front of so much people. That don't make no sense. So she get mad guys and a lick out.
Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy a GLE bed. Cause that way you get a fuck. Yeah. Oh, Mooney to get bum buckler then. And you get X1 bimmer. Mooney do 13 years. Hey, and that get my dark in a youth. I want to you. Me I go buy you your bum buckler then. Mooney do bum buckler 13 years but him a get Benz. I want to see him for slabber clean and boy him get Benz. Him farmer push money. What do you when them put out video about me and thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo whole feed not drop off a stage. Yo, buy money. Send the video to the man and tell the man about watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clock money. A bank all my money for me. I hardly spend.
This not look good for the empire, guys, because for Lisa Hype style Vybz Kartel as bumbo whole. No, this not look good. This not sound good. This not sound good, guys. Me not like this one bit. You know, me don't know what cause her head for chip. She say the fact say Kartel buy Mooney Benz and buy Siva idiot car why she get upset. Me don't know if I because Kartel the America and no bring her. Probably I even that too because who knows? Who knows? Because remember, you know, that would have been past and gone and she never come out and say nothing, you know. So me I wonder what's really happening now. Why she come out this upset? Something must happen recently. The car was Siva get by months ago. From last year. And she never said nothing about it. The whole in a bag gone from what year and she never adjusted. So what could have happened now? It must be something new happen no. Why she behave like this? Because she also give it to Vaness Bling, you know. I said Vaness Bling there with all of the man them in the empire, you know. And she only did there with the boss because the boss alone she there with. You understand? So it look like something recently happened because we know see Vaness Bling and know from Vybz Kartel come from prison. So how Vanessa name and mention right now in 2025. I feel like there's more to it than what she has said because she has said she's not friend for vanity. You know? So this does not sound right, guys. Something not right. Something recently happened, man.
I'm not frightened for vanity. So you can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavern. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do. And as she left me out, she go meet World Boss. Cause she did a first class carry well live round at the back of Father Rome yard. And then she start Shanstam and milk box her down. And then Addy start for her. I the whole Gaza for yeah, one man from the Gaza for and I the boss, cause I that me the boss. Me not the basket. You cannot even construct a proper interview. It's no your talk. You do a song with Dexter, big song. Them ask you, how come you come up with that song? You know Mama and Papa days and the song name High School.
But it sound like Lisa Hype still have up Vanessa Bling, man. Trouble there, guys. Trouble in the empire. But me feel like there's more to it than what Lisa Hype say. Yeah, man. I don't think it has nothing to do with any car that Sean Storm got, because that's a last year thing. And if she didn't want to address money, she would have been addressing from weeks ago. You understand? I think that Lisa Hyper is still in love with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, and because Vybz Kartel gone America and no come back yet, yeah, chip her head. You understand? Because, you know, guys, remember, from Vybz Kartel come from prison, Lisa Hyper no left from behind him. She always there around him. At the first time this, he might go perform or do any form of interaction publicly with Lisa Hyper. Now they believe me. Lisa Hyper always the everywhere Vybz Kartel there. So probably she feel left out. You understand? But I also came up on an interview where Lisa Hyper was telling Winford Williams that whenever time she's on the right path, like her career out for take off, it's like she come under spiritual attack. And we see Lisa Hype, she's looking well. Yeah, man, she had do her performance them, and she look good overall. You understand? So, me don't know if she's under some form of spiritual attack now. I am wondering if this is one of the time where she's under that attack. But take a listen, guys.
So, like, my fans are always saying, why every time like things going great for me, I disappear. They don't know that what's going on. And the last attack I got was a terrible one. Terrible one. It was even out on the internet. I had to run into the church because I fought and I was so tired. I was so tired. And I had to run in the church, and Tanisha Shaw baptized me, and it's all over the internet, and you could see. Because, I mean, you have powerful people in the world that knows about these things. But at the end of the day, you can't reason with anybody about it that's not on a spiritual level, because they're going to say you're mad. Like how they must say I'm mad. But things was going great for me.
Wow, guys, I really hope that she's not under some form of spiritual attack or any form of mental breakdown. You understand, guys? Because mental health is real, and it's just strange to see that Lisa Hyper, who loves Vybz Kartel so much, and we know that she loves Vybz Kartel, and everything seems to be going great, as she say, and she come out now so upset and a style Vybz Kartel away. Something is just not right about this. Because honestly, from Vybz Kartel come from prison, Lisa Hype seems so much happier. And she look good. She do her thing. She perform good. You know, she just look more happier and even more healthier. So to see her like this, it just seems as if something else is going on more than what she's saying. But let me know in the comment, guys, what you think about this story. Alright? Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Walk good and spread love. Big up on yourself.
The Scoop.